So we're here in the floor of the SEMA Show 2013 with Dennis Overholser of Painless. Now, we're kind of in the middle of like a fuel injection engine swap revolution these days. We've got guys shoving LS motors into everything. A lot of late model engines being put in classic cars. And Dennis, you guys have prepared yourselves and everybody else for this deal. Talk to me a little bit about the options they have through Painless for engine swaps and wiring those deals up.
We made our first harness in '91, which is the throttle body. So we've made every GM harness necessary to swap any kind of GM engine in ever since. And right now we make them for the LS series all the way through 2010.
And not just LS, right? You're equipped to help the Ford guys out too?
Well, we do the 5-liter Ford, and we're working on some other ones, the 4.6, and we're working on some stuff with the Mopars as well, but that's down the road a ways.
One of the things we're seeing is these modern engines showing up in all different kinds of cars, big stuff, small stuff, and you offer a couple different lengths of these harnesses so the end user has some options as far as computer mounting and usability.
Yeah, if you had a Gen 1 Camaro, you want to put an LS in, you have plenty of glove box room to put the computer in there. So it's just our standard 4-foot length harness. But let's say you're in a Model A. Well, there is no dash, right? So guess what? We have to put the computer underneath the seat. So that, and for those applications, we make an 8-foot version.
Excellent. You know, there was a time when if a guy wanted to do this swap, he went to the junkyard, bought the motor out of there, and took the wiring harness of whatever he was yanking it out of, and then it became a nightmare of cutting the thing and trying to get it to work.
Right.
How much time, typically in general, is somebody saving when they go with a painless harness?
You can actually install the harness, you know, with all the other things already done, you know, fuel lines, pumps, and all that kind of stuff. It takes about an hour to do the harness. That's it, because everything's plug and play. So all you gotta do is run the wire to the fuel pump, you know, hook up your check engine light, plug it into the ignition switch, and you're ready to go. It's done.
One other element though, if a guy does have a computer, a factory computer, he needs flash, can you guys handle that as well?
Yes. We also stock refurbished computers that are pre-flashed, but if you already have a computer, you can go to our website, click on free ECM flash. If you buy our harness, we're going to flash it for you, tire size, gear ratios, anything non-performance for free. Hey, that's a deal. That's
unbelievable. So by the amount of time you're spending on the harness and then also getting the flash handled, I mean, you're really ready to go turnkey with your engine swap in record time these days.
Absolutely.
What have you seen as far as demand? I mean, who's calling the hardest for these things these days? The GM guys?
It's just all over the board. Everybody's, you know, it's the new craze. It's the new small block. So everybody's wanting to put them in because they're so efficient. They make a lot of horsepower. They're lightweight. It's a no-brainer.
You can't beat it. Well, Dennis, thanks very much for taking a few minutes with us. It looks so good on the board. Unfortunately, you've secured it down so we can't steal it and take it with us.
Well, that's the idea.
But we know guys that are already using this stuff, and it is an incredible time saver and a hassle saver as well. So keep up the good work.
We'll do our best.
Thanks, Brian.